Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the twin bed frames platform, a 14-inch high, heavy-duty metal platform designed to support up to an impressive 3,500 pounds. Crafted from durable alloy steel, this bed frame boasts reinforced legs to prevent structural distortion, ensuring a stable and secure foundation for your mattress. The non-slip design includes steel slats with 4 strips of tape to keep your mattress in place, while foot plugs on the support legs prevent sliding and protect your floors from scratches. With easy assembly in just 15 minutes, thanks to the included tools and instructions, you'll have your bed set up in no time. Say goodbye to the need for a box spring, as the strong steel slats extend the life of your latex, memory foam, or innerspring mattress. Plus, enjoy the added benefit of under-bed storage with 12 inches of space, perfect for stashing away out-of-season clothes and shoes. Experience the perfect blend of functionality and convenience with this exceptional bed frame. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.